Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best diabetes testing kits that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Essentia Contour Next 1. The Contour Next 1 blood glucose smart meter and app system combines remarkable accuracy, 1, with ease of use to benefit a broad range of people living with diabetes. By integrating your blood glucose (BG) meter with a smartphone app, you may simplify the management of your diabetes. BG results captured throughout the day can be automatically synced and logged, and over time your results may create meaningful insights into how your activities affect your BG levels, which may help improve your understanding of your diabetes. All via your smartphone, the same platform you use for so many aspects of your life. The free app is available for download on a compatible iOS or Android device via Apple App Store or Google Play, and is compatible with Apple Health. Read user guide before use. Moving on, at number 4, we have Dario Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. Ever wanted to ditch the clunky glucose monitor and just grab your phone, wallet, keys, and go? I have. This glucometer is truly futuristic and features plugins for your smartphone, Android and iOS users. Rejoice! That turn your cell into a glucose monitor. Wild, I know, no batteries or coding is needed. With over 10,000 Amazon reviews and a nearly 5-star rating, this glucose meter definitely brings the cool factor. At number 3, we have Prodigy Glucose Monitor Kit. Dr. Fading recommends the Prodigy meter for the visually impaired. Speaking in 4 languages, English, Spanish, French, and Arabic, this glucometer speaks your readings to you. Whether you're visually impaired or simply want audio confirmation of your glucose readings, this is a great option, with a nearly 5-star rating and 4,000 reviews. Prodigy's AutoCode blood glucose monitoring system consists of 100 test strips plus a free meter system. Most affordable on the market. Prodigy test strips fit the Prodigy AutoCode, Prodigy Pocket and Prodigy Voice. At number 2, we have Contour Easy Diabetes Testing Kit. The brand touts this glucose monitor as a great option for senior patients, and we're inclined to say it's great for people of any age who are looking for a simple, no-frills glucometer. It features alarm reminders, saved pre- and post-meal testing, and it features large text so it's easy to read. Preferred diabetic blood glucose monitoring system for senior patients. No coding required. Alarm reminders, saved pre- and post-meal glucose level tests of 7, 14, and 30-day averages. Test results within 5 seconds. Second chance sampling with tiny blood sample. And finally, at number 1, One Touch Ultra 2 System Kit. The One Touch Ultra 2 has a large screen, easily readable with a big bright display and a backlight that is easily seen in areas with limited lighting, notes Dr. Fertig. Small, but not too small, fits in palm of your hand. Reviewers note that this glucometer is easy to use and accurate, and really, what more could you want from a glucose monitor? With large font and before and after meal indicators, keeping track of your blood sugar trends just got easier. Plus, it features a simple one-touch operation, making the entire process a breeze. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.